In today's virtual tour, we talk about getting rid of that awkward bar top, making a home for your trash pullout, and a beautiful design element of two-toned cabinet paint. Hey everybody, Scott Monday with KitchenCRATE and bathCRATE. Today's virtual tour is KitchenCRATE Tapestry Way in Pleasanton. Now, really wanted to share this project with you because it represents some of the best customization that KitchenCRATE has to offer. Let's jump right in. So, one of the first things you're going to notice is the two-toned cabinet paint. Now, these were existing door and drawer faces, and what we did is we painted the lowers in a really nice gray tone that works exceptionally well with the quartz tops, and then the uppers are a nice creamy white tone. And what this does from a design perspective is it really gives your eye something to land on at the lower cabinets and really makes the space feel nice and open. Another piece of customization, we lowered the old bar top that really had kind of a useless 12-inch or so countertop area. We made it all one level, and then we added a new cabinet bay to the left of the dishwasher where the new trash pullout lives. Last piece of customization is a new custom cabinet piece over in the dining nook area with cookbooks and things like that. And you add to that just the wonderful LED lighting, the stunning glass tile backsplash with an accent strip, and some beautiful pendant lights. Really brought this project together. So if you'd like to learn more about this project, just log on to kbcrate.com, or of course give us a call, 888-995-7996. Thank you so much.